up guys? Today we have something a little different for you guys. A customer came in, has an 07 Acura TSX. We want to do full bolt-ons. He has a Skunk 2 intake manifold, header, RBC gear, Flash Pro, full exhaust, and 72mm throttle body, and a set of injectors. Jamie's gonna tune the car, but before we get started, we wanna do a baseline pull, see how much the car makes for power beforehand, and after we're done, we're gonna put the car back on a dyno and see what it actually makes. The car already has an intake on it. The customer already installed, has a radiator, it's not gonna pick up power. All the parts are actually right here. There goes the intake manifold, brand new, 72mm ktuned throttle body, header, test pipe, injectors, 50-degree RBC gear, Flash Pro, and the exhaust is in the box. What you guys think is gonna make power-wise for stock? Jarek, you said how much, Jarek? 180. 180? So we got 180.
No, I can't go be that low.
What?
I feel like
it's stock.
200.
200?
Say probably like 195.
195? I'm gonna go 188. 188, and after the tune, 230. 230 after the tune. That's what I'm gonna go with. What do you guys think after the tune, number-wise?
230 sounds reasonable because it's still got power steering and AC. So
What you?
Like 225.
Yo, Jared, what you going with after dyno, bro? 215. 215. I'm sorry, guys. Jarek's a little tired today. He's out of it. 215. I think a K20 will make 215. His number's been off. He was good on the green EK, but this one, it's still a TSX and it got a 2.4.
Bigger axles, you got fucking bigger tires, you still got AC and power steering, but
you alright? You feeling alright?
215, 220 sounds.
All right, guys, before you guys even get to the next clip, I want you guys to drop in the comments what you guys think is gonna make stock, and then what do you guys think is gonna make after Jamie tunes the car.
What did you say it was gonna make final numbers?
230.
230. So if it's 230, I'll just turn the AC on and then I'll cut it down to 215 and I'll win.
Nah.
No?
Yeah, can we get some pulls?
You ready?
Hell yeah, I'm ready. All right, guys, ready for first pull? Jamie Marsh in the car. This make you miss your TSX?
A little bit, honestly.
That shit's clean. Clean ass car. Car got 100,000 miles. Baby's healthy. Here we go, first pull. Well, first and only pull. We're only doing one pull, one baseline. Let's see what it makes. 190.
That was close.
190.
I said 190, right?
Yeah, I think he said. J-Rock said, what did you say? 180. He said 180. You owe everybody lunch now. 190.
What'd you say?
I don't even remember what I said.
It was like 280.
No, I wasn't. I think I actually said 190. I think Kev said 188 or something. But 190, this thing is actually really healthy. I'm gonna still go 230. He said 220. What'd you say, Ahmed? 220 to 219? I said 225, 220.
I said 215, right? 215.
Yeah, you said 215. I said 230. I think I'm gonna be right on this one. I think on the money.
What are refs to? Like 7,500?
No, it was higher than that.
They're revved higher than that? They're probably revved to about 8 grand, I think.
I think it was around like 8, maybe 80 something.
Yeah. How you go from wild to mild? Do full-on builds to street builds, stock cars?
That's how we do it over here in New England. No jump too small, right?
Nope. Got the parts all laid out. Full exhaust, header, test pipe. We got everything out here on the table. Flash Pro, ktuned 72mm, Skunk manifold, RBC gear, injectors. Yo, how are you gonna tackle this? Where are you gonna go out first? You gonna dive right in?
That's it.
Then you got the back half of the intake manifold off, the auto body's off. Maybe intake manifold, then RBC gear?
Yeah, I'll probably just plant them off and then just clean everything up and then start doing the VTC gear and probably do a valve adjustment. Clean the injectors for them just because they're gonna be out anyways. And then just work my way.
Work your way to the back.
To the back, baby.
Remember he said that he starts from the front to the back, guys.
Race cars
No.
start from the back.
So we're gonna do intake manifold first, maybe RBC gear, and then put the injectors in, and then take the header off, the stock one, and the full exhaust, make that last, because that's like dirty work. Well, it's all dirty work.
Are you doing the dirty work?
I'll check back in with you guys later. Full exhaust is off, and it's not even, it's a little bit after lunchtime. We got the intake manifold out, valve covers off, other part of the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, throttle body. You like working on TSXs? That's a lie. You didn't say that earlier. Skunk is on though. You guys, I did a valve adjustment when J-Rock wasn't here.
It's the specs.
8 and 8. 8 and 7?
I thought you did them. It's only what?
8,
half hour ago you did them?
8 and 7. I'm gonna go 8 and 7, guys. That's what I do on my race. No, I do 8 and 8, 8 and 7 on my race car. TSXs should be around the same thing. I don't know. Well, that was
You're
B-Series.
lying to the internet, bro.
What's the specs?
Fuck your specs.
Yeah, because you know I'm right though, right?
Nah.
They're not. Those aren't right.
Nah.
What's the specs?
I don't even know.
Are they on there?
Yeah. But basically it's in millimeters, 23 and 27, which is basically
Yo, you work on cars?
9 and 11.
9 and 11. Do you go a little tighter or not?
No, not to 8 and 8, that's for sure.
I was close, guys. I think I'm thinking about B-Series. I think that's what.
You want me to look up B-Series for you right now?
I bet you I'm right. The race guys, 8 and 8. Maybe some dudes do 8 and 7.
I want everybody to go ahead and Google right now and put in the comments what B-Series, what do you want to go with? GSR?
GSR, B16.
Put the GSR valve clearance specs in the comments for me and let Sonic know that he's wrong.
I'm gonna still go 8 and 8.
Oh, we know.
I'm gonna still go 8 and 8. I think that's the right number for like skunk cams, you know, the Ferrera valve train. I think that's the right number. K series, my boy like his shit a little loose, guys. All right, he like his shit a little loose.
I'm gonna tell you the most realest shit you ever heard this year yet.
Okay.
A loose valve is a happy valve. That ain't no fucking lie.
I don't know, guys. He might be capping. Loose valve might not be that happy.
You want a tight valve?
No, no, no.
Nah, you don't want no tight valve, bro.
Intake manifolds on. Still gotta do RBC gear, which is gonna suck. No header back there. And then somehow, some way, get the throttle body to fit with the intake.
You think they would know if we just duct taped it?
Yeah. You might have to do some custom fabric. You weld aluminum? Well, good thing I'm here because I weld aluminum. Yo, Cat. My boy Rock just bought a TSX.
I see. He said he put the super exhaust up here right now.
Yeah, I know. You check this out. Full exhaust. Back in like, maybe this is Rock back 3 years ago.
Damn, I forgot you did have one of these.
Yeah, he had a Sonic Blue joint.
Yeah, he did.
Remember that?
I do remember that.
You lucky I don't got no clips. I would drop some clips in right now.
You should drop a clip just because.
I don't even have any clips of him. Headers on. O2's on. Test pipes on. Full exhaust. This thing blinging.
It's definitely blinging.
Blinging under here.
Pimp my ride.
Pimp my ride.
Pimp my ride, dude.
So full exhaust is on. Check out that exhaust. All we got left, VTC gear. Yeah, you got the specs for the valve lash?
Waiting for the comments.
Are you waiting for the comments?
Yeah, I'll let the people let you know.
Alright guys, it might be 9 and 11. Might have been a little bit wrong. But boy had to modify the intake. Intake's on. Now just left is the RBC gear. Injectors are in. That's it, right? RBC gear and we're ready for a tune? Axles. Oh, so the axles in this car are shot, but I'll probably show you guys today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. We got new axles, but the old axles I'll show you guys. The OEM axles got this rubber boot on it which collects water and they rust inside. It's official, guys. The TSX is all set, ready for the rollers. Full exhaust is right there. All the factory parts that we took off. Factory cam gear, throttle body, old axles, everything, all the old parts are here. Car is completely done now. It's just gonna bleed the coolant and then get the car ready for the dyno. Check out the engine bay. New Skunk manifold, injectors are in, throttle body, Customized the intake. Got the header back there, full exhaust. RBC 50-degree VTC gears on. And now the car's ready to hit the rollers. I'm guessing 230, 225 it'll make. We'll find out when Jamie gets here. That shit sounded good. 213. 213 with baseline 190. $214. J-Rock was dead on the money. J-Rock said $215. It's crazy. He said exactly $215. That might be it for this. This thing needs an oil pump kit ASAP. That's it, final numbers for the TSX, 214 horsepower. All right, boys, the TSX build's complete. Jamie tuned the car today. Car made about 215 wheel. We do pretty much everything here from mild to wild. So if you need anything, hit us up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.